How to delete your social club account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can delete your social club account, so you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. If you'd like to delete your Rockstar games or your social club account, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all navigate to the official website, which is socialclub.rockstargames.com. I'll also make sure to drop this direct link down in the description box. Once you come to this official URL over here, what you want to do is make sure to sign into your account that you want to delete, and then click on a profile picture on the top right hand side. Go to the option called help and then go to support, and once you go to support you will see all these sorts of various information. Since we're trying to delete our social club account, choose the option called social club over here, and then here it says what do you need help with. Here you have to select this option that says social club account, and then after you do that you have multiple topics to choose from, but then you want to choose the option called delete account and information. As you do that, you have to submit a web ticket by agreeing to the terms and conditions, and it's submitting a web ticket to social club or your Rockstar support. So just check this box over here, click on the option called submit web ticket. They're going to get back to you and they're going to get a request that you want to delete your account. When you do so, they're going to successfully delete your account once and for all, and keep in mind that after deleting it you'll not be able to retrieve it back. And that's all it takes to delete your social club account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.